I'm sorry about your friend.
Thanks. I appreciate it, man. Anyway, when you see my dad around, he might want some help in the barn.
Ja, schau, geht läuft er schon. Gehen wir ihm Geheu sagen? Hey, du, Motherfucker.
How you doing, Dirk?
Good. I'm gonna drive the tractor. I'm the foreman. Lift with your back, Sean.
Irgendwie nervt mich der kleine Frotzlöffel. So, jetzt gehen wir zu dem Typ von Left 4 Dead. Sully. Sully.
How'd you get out of Atlanta?
Zu Fuß, ich wurde im Auto mitgenommen.
I got a ride and then I was in a wreck. I walked until your boy found me.
Well, you're no worse for wear.
This farm's a nice plot of land.
Huh. Had you told me 20 years ago I'd still be doing this, I would have told you that you were full of crap. Never was the plan, having a place like this. It was in the family, and I guess so was I. Family's important. It's all that matters. You agree with that?
Was brought up to, yes.
Where's your family now? Parents? Wife? Girlfriend?
Meine Eltern leben in Macon.
My parents are in Macon with my brother.
Well, I hope they're all right. But now you've got this little girl to take care of. Clementine, is it? You just stumbled up on her?
Ja, ich habe ihn auch versucht, ich wurde angegriffen.
Yeah, I was looking for help in her house.
Ja.
Can I give you a piece of advice?
Ja.
Sure.
I don't know who you are or what you did. Let's say things don't get better back in the cities, or they get worse before they do. You're gonna have to depend on the honesty of strangers if you're gonna make it. And if those same people get to questioning yours, you're gonna be in trouble. But at least you have the common sense to listen to a man giving you advice.
Oh, ich mache mir schon mal parat zum Kuh drücken. Oh shit! Oh, der Idiot! Oh Scheiße, ich muss mich entscheiden. Ja, komm dann mit dem Bub, der Bub! Was, keine Entscheidung, ich habe den Bub gewählt! Ja, Moment. Komm. Ah, schlag doch Zombies ab.
I'm okay, Pop. I'm okay. I can fix you, don't worry. They'll stitch you up.
It almost got me, man.
So schreit der Bub immer umeinander.
I know, son.
Obwohl ich eigentlich am Kind auch laufen. Oh shit, er ist tot. Oh oh. Not good.
Get out.
Get the fuck out of here!
I'm sorry.
Sorry?
Your son is alive.
You don't get to be sorry!
You tried to help him, but this piece of shit let him die.
Es ist meine Schuld. Niemand. Ja, eigentlich schon mehr. Ich habe niemanden.
Strong enough. I'm sorry.
If
If your girl is ever trapped, you better hope you get stronger, or your friends aren't cowards.
Please. Just go.
Get out and never come back.
Also komm. Jungs, abdampfen. Du hast auch nichts gemacht, Mädchen, ja?
That ride to Macon if you want it.
Ja, ich würde sagen, wir nehmen es schon, oder? Ja, ja. Ah, Macon, das ist meine Familie. Meine Brothers und Mothers und Fathers und Brothers und Sisters und Chisters. Meine Milfs und Bitches, meine Girlfriends und
This is as
Hitches.
far as we're going.
And it's far enough.
Ja, hoffen wir es mal, Douglas Office Supplies.
Look!
Hey, Fresse!
Hey there. You friendly? Truck's run out of gas. Fuck!
Oh, shit.
We're trapped! Ah!
Immer der Scheissbub, ey.
Run!
Hasse das Kind!
We
can't
keep
fail me.
places like this. And we can't just let people die either. When I say that door stays shut no matter what, I fucking mean it. We don't know who these people are. It could be dangerous.
Worse, they could have let them right to us.
Where the hell is your humanity? They would have
Die
died
sind
out
okay,
there.
immer ruhig bleiben.
Then we let them.
We have kids with us.
I see one little girl.
What is it?
I have to pee.
I'd go out there in a second.
In einer
In a
Minute.
minute, Clem.
They've got kids, Lily.
Those things outside don't care.
Maybe you should go join them then. You'll have something in common. God damn it, Lily. You have to control these people.
Halt deine
He's an
Fresse!
asshole, that's for sure.
That's what it takes.
Well, you don't have to be a bitch about it.
Oh, shit. Son of a bitch. One of them is bitten.
Sicher nicht.
Hell, he wasn't. We have to end this now.
Over my dead body.
We'll dig one hole.
No, I'm cleaning him up. There's no bite. He's fine.
Don't you fucking people get it? We've already seen this happen. We let someone with a bite stay in, and we all end up bitten. Shut up. We gotta throw him out, or smash his head in.
Kenny, stop him!
What do we do about this guy?
Schleun ab!
Dad, it's just a boy.
Mach ihn fertig!
But your heart, Dad. You need to calm down.
We kick his ass.
That's what I'm thinking.
Fuck out! Nobody is doing anything.
Shut up, Lily. And you, shut the fuck up. They will find us, and they will get in here, and none of this will fucking matter. But right
Alter,
now,
man, der bringt
we're
ihn
about
um.
to be trapped in here with one of those things.
What the hell are you talking about?
He's bitten. That's how you turn.
He's not bitten. Please stop this. It's upsetting him.
Oh, I'm upsetting him.
Das ist sein Sohn, ist er
Upsetting is
nicht?
getting eaten alive.
Gell, was wenn es ein Mädchen wäre?
It's a big deal.
What if this was your daughter?
Never would have happened. She's not some snot-nosed toddler, okay? She's United States Air Force.
Fuck you and her. I'm gonna kill him, Cat. Just worry about Duck.
Lee,
Yeah?
there's someone in there.
It's just locked. Key's behind the counter. Probably.
Hey, I'm not the bad guy here. I'm just looking out for my daughter.
No, you're just the guy arguing for killing a kid.
He's covered in muck. She'll find the bite. Watch.
She won't.
And if she does, the first thing he'll do is sink his teeth into his mom's face. Then, once she's dead, he'll probably pounce on your little girl.
Halt deine
Little
Schnurren!
boy. I think we can handle him.
A little boy? You'll be an uncontrollable man-eater.
It's not gonna happen.
It is. And we're tossing them out now.
Gib mir eins, Kenny. Nein.
Knock this guy out.
Happily.
Jesus!
Oh man.